Putting salt in a sanitary napkin might sound unusual, but this DIY trick is surprisingly powerful. I've been relying on these 3 simple methods for nearly 10 years, and the results still amaze me. Follow along as I walk you through how it works. It's all about making the most of a composite layer that can be used in several creative ways. I added around 2 tablespoons of salt, and for extra effect, you can also mix in a little baking soda and a touch of lavender. Before we dive in, tell me which country or region you're watching this from, and I'll send you a small red heart in the comments. Now, let's get into these home tricks that are both easy and effective. Trash cans often give off unpleasant smells. This first do-it-yourself method tackles that problem beautifully. Baking soda acts as an odor absorber, while salt naturally disinfects. Add a sprinkle of lavender, and your trash can turn from smelly to fresh in minutes. It's simple, affordable, and leaves every corner of the bin pleasantly scented. For the second trick, stick the prepared pad inside your toilet lid. Each time you flush, the soothing lavender aroma spreads through the pipes, neutralizing bad odors right at the source. You can also attach it to the back of the toilet for continuous freshness. This helps disinfect and scent your bathroom, saving you the cost of expensive air fresheners or aromatherapy products. Finally, try placing one in your wardrobe. The baking soda absorbs unwanted smells, the salt removes moisture, and the lavender fills the space with a clean, calming fragrance. You'll no longer need mothballs, and your clothes will stay fresh much longer. If you found these DIY home tricks useful, don't forget to share this video with family and friends. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. See you in the next video with more simple, clever ideas.